Next one up, Triumph Scrambler 1200 XC, a rather filthy. I think this gets used daily, so she is definitely showing some wear and tear. We've got our work cut out for us with this. Not too sure what we're going to be able to do with these spokes. They should be silver. These are black. And no, that's not oil on there. That's corrosion that's setting in. I don't know why Triumph doesn't put stainless spokes on their bikes. Got some rust on the shocks there. She is proper minging. See if we can do something with this exhaust. And these calipers, look. Proper gritty. This is, like I said, I believe this gets used daily. So it's to be expected, I suppose, on one that's not properly protected. Oh, XCP would have cured all this, prevented all this corrosion. Nevertheless, let's get cracking. This is going to be a good half a day's job on this. We've got some exhaust polishing to do. So yeah, wish us luck on this one. Polish up these side cases as well. Okay, many hours later, this Triumph Scrambler 1200 XC has now been fully trotted. What a transformation on this beast. We've done one of our legendary full Monty valets on this, getting it all prepped ready for the showroom. Just want to say, you know, the condition of this bike was no fault of the previous owner. This is a Scrambler, been used for what it's made for. Unfortunately, Triumph doesn't put the best quality spokes, so they all go a bit rusty on these, but now all been polished up, had a nice coating of XCP corrosion protection. We did clean that chain up. We've thoroughly soaked it in chain lube inside and out, so that's nice and lubed up now. Like I said, all the nuts and bolts have all had a nice bit of XCP on it. All the calipers are all sorted out, motor, all these little bits here have been mirror polished back up. Including these side covers. Exhausts have all been minted. Look at the shine on those. Anyway, it's all ready for the showroom now. Heading to Kaio's showroom next door. If you're looking for a nice 1200 XC Scrambler, give Kaio a ring. I'm sure it won't be around long. These are a popular bike, these. And now it's been trotted. Should sail away. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. You're buying a new bike, get it trotted from new, making sure to keep any corrosion at bay. We do a new bike package. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963.